Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to download effects in Davinci Resolve 19. So in order to download effects in Davinci Resolve, you just need to visit couple of websites. Like you can just explore their own website by the name of Blackmagic Studio, because there you just need to pay and you can just download the effects and use in your Davinci Resolve. But you can also visit the couple of websites which also can provide you effects for free, and one of them is by the name of Motion VFX. As you search on Google, you will see the website just on the first page, and as you came to this website, you just need to head to the option for Davinci Resolve, and as I click here, you will see this interface where you can see the popular keywords. Like if I click on YouTube, you will see couple of effects are available for free. Like here you can see this one is for free, some of them are paid, some of them are free. You can just explore them, and also if you want to search for a particular niche and genre, you can just search it. And in order to filter out things, you can just click on this filter icon. So according to your need, you can just reduce the price, increase the price. And if I just type here free, let's suppose, I'll just able to see all the free effects are provided by them. So you can just click on the effect and download it. Once you download your desired effects, and if you want to install it, just go and open the file. It will be of type DRFX. You need to double click on that file. Then what it will do, Davinci Resolve will automatically open and install the effect in your PC or whatever device you're using. Once it is done, you just need to restart the Davinci Resolve, and then you are ready to go and load the new effects. So yeah guys, that's how you can download and install effects in Davinci Resolve. Now if you think I was a big help, can you please subscribe my YouTube channel? If you do, I would really appreciate it. But for now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.